This is Sai Kushi here. This is my first video. So in this video, we are making an easy squishy toy. Before we begin, please make sure to add a like, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. So the materials required to do this craft are scissors, a pencil, a paper, sketch pens, anything that you can decorate your craft with, gum, cotton. So the first step is sketch out any of your favorite design on the paper. So here, to get the perfect shape, I'm using a stencil. So let's start drawing the shape. I've already drawn one shape, and the second time I'm gonna draw the shape of the same size, same shape. So we'll start drawing. Make sure that the second cutting of your shape is the same size as the first cutting of your shape. I'm done drawing twice in my paper. So after we draw twice, we can outline the sheet, or if you already have a colored paper on the back side, you can just cut it out. And we will start cutting the paper. I have already finished cutting the designs. So the next step is we need to take a suitable amount of cotton and add it into our designs. Then we'll apply gum around. Make sure to outline the design perfectly. Just outline it wholly perfectly. So we will take our next shape, stick it on, and make sure that our design is all very neat. Pick up one. Make sure that you have not taken an excessive amount of cotton. So we'll stick our next design onto it. We need to stick it extremely carefully. We must add a suitable amount of gum too. The next step is decorating with what you like. Here I am using stickers. So we'll pluck out a sticker. Keep it on the flower. Then next step we'll again pluck out a sticker and keep it on the flower. Now we are done with our squishy craft. It's so lovely. Bye bye.